Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, today we're doing the salmon bites like I told you earlier in the introduction. But okay, so first we're gonna start off with some flour. And by the way, hey, this video I dedicated to my nephew JP. He said, hey, won't you make some salmon bites, man? I was like, okay, I'll do that. He's like, cause he said, I love salmon bites and those are like my favorite things to eat. I said, all right, I got you, nephew. So this is dedicated to him. So what I did in this pan right here, I just took a little flour, and what I did, I added a little thyme to that flour. And we're just gonna go ahead and get that mixed in a little bit. And then right here, I got some sea salt. I got a little garlic, a little onion powder, and some pepper, and we're gonna put that in there too. We wanna make sure we season that flour really good. Okay, we're gonna stir that in a little bit. Then right here, I got a little seafood seasoning, a little Old Bay. You know what Old Bay is, don't you? Yeah, I got a little bit of that in there. Look how that flour is turning. See how it's getting a reddish look? Yeah, that's going to be some good seasoned salmon bites today. Hey, how's your day going? How's your day going? My day's going good. You know why it's going good? Because I woke up this morning. If you don't wake up, it don't even matter, right? So why wake up mad? Why wake up angry? Hey, man. So you see that mixture in there? Yeah, it's a good mixture. I got another little seafood seasoning I'm gonna put in there. Just a little something extra. Like I told you guys before, I'll tell you a little bit of my seasoning, but I'm telling you, man, your tongue is powerful, so I'm gonna end up coming out with a seasoning. So I don't want to tell you guys all the seasoning mix I use. Then you just be doing it yourself without having me do it for you. So we got a seasoning line coming out soon. I'm gonna tell you that now. Easy work, all right? So I think what I'm gonna do in that flour, I'm just gonna add a little yellow cornmeal in there. Just a little bit. You know what I mean? A little yellow cornmeal. Still looking good. See that color in there? All that seasoning. Okay. Then right here, I have my binder, okay? So this is my binder. This is what I'm gonna put those nuggets in, those bites, those salmon bites. So what I did, I put a little eggs. I got some eggs in here. I got some hot sauce, and I got a little mustard. And that's just gonna be a binder. We're gonna stir that up really good. That's just to bind them, okay? Y'all know we got something good coming, right? Y'all know this is gonna be really good. And I know y'all can't wait to see it hit that grease. But first we gotta go ahead and get it together a little bit. Alright. So I got my nuggets here. I already cut them, washed, clean, everything's ready to go. Okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take them and get that out of the way a little bit. Just gonna drop them, take them and put them in that binder. How about that? I'll put them in that binder a little bit. Stir it up a little bit in that binder. How about that? So once we do that, remember the flour mix? We're just gonna take these tongs so we don't get too messy. We're just gonna drop them in there, just like that. You seeing this, nephew? It's for you. Hey, you guys, if you guys have anything you want me to cook for you, hey, just leave it in the comments, and I'll be happy, more than happy to help you. Like I told you guys before, I'm not a chef, but I am an experienced cook. I've been cooking for a while, so we're gonna put that binder to the side. I was tripping with them tongs. I think I'm just gonna take my hand and just stir that up. I want to stir it up like that, you know. Just make sure. I want to make sure that all that good seasoning and everything gets in there. Hey, you guys, I got a special guest today that's gonna try this out, so make sure you stay tuned. I got a real special guest, and This guy's an eater, and you know what? If he approves them, then I know I'm on. Okay, so I'm just gonna take that and just shake it. Put it on that. Okay. That wire rack real quick, like that. Man. This dude's slogan is, if such and such didn't try it, don't buy it. Who you think that might be? If such and such. Another one of his slogans is, if you're not wilding, if you're not smiling, you wilding. So, I don't know if that's enough information to give you guys, but he'll be trying these today. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up a little bit right here. You know, I have to have my area clean. See those bites on there like that, you guys? Yeah. So what we're gonna do now, get me some fresh gloves, but before we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and, you know who I got? Look who's in the house. My little daddy, Presto, Fried Daddy, deep fryer is in the house. It's in the house, but before we do that, I'm gonna check the temperature on this grease. Check that temperature on that grease real quick. Just make sure. Oh yeah, that grease is ready. That grease is ready. Fried Daddy. Let's go ahead and start putting these bites in there. These nugget bites. Salmon. Ooh, look at that. You hear that? Ooh, you hear that? Ooh, you hear that? Look at that. Ooh. Going in that hot grease. Let's see what we come up with. Hope you guys are loving yourself, because remember, nobody can love you like you can love yourself. Remember that. You have to give a people an example of how you like to be treated. You understand? Have to give them an example of how you like to be treated. We might be able to get them all in there today. Oh yeah. Those nuggets. Yeah. We're gonna let them fry for a little bit. Come right back to it. Looking good, huh, guys? What's up, guys? I'm back. I'm back. Let's see what we got going on. Woo, look at that. Oh my God, look at that. Look at those salmon bites. Look at that. Looking good. Yeah. It's looking real good, guys. Looking really good. Man. Can't wait to present them. Man, they're looking really good. I think we're going to use a little brown plate today. Yeah, I cannot wait to present these. So what do you guys want me to cook next? What do you want me to cook next? Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. By the way, these salmon bites, I got them for under $10. You know I'm the $10 man. I'm the $10 man. We cook at home. We don't waste all our money at restaurants and stuff no more. Things that got really expensive, guys. I mean, you guys that went out and expected to really eat good and the food wasn't up to quality. Have you been experiencing that lately? Because I definitely have. I definitely have. I've definitely experienced that. Yeah. You know, right here we got this meal was under $10. So what I'm gonna do, kind of move my fried daddy deep fryer to the side, and we're gonna start putting these salmon bites. Yeah. Start positioning them where they need to be. Here we go right here. Okay, I see you. Had to see where that camera was at. Right there. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Let's make sure we position them where they need to be. Look at that. Look how beautiful they are. Like I always tell you guys about paper towels. Paper towels are cool, but the only thing about it, once the paper towels get soggy, guess what else is gonna get soggy? Your food. Had to sneak me one. There we go, guys. Looks good, huh? Easy work. What's up, guys? I told you I was gonna have a special guest today.
What's up, y'all?
I'm gonna have that man. Hey, I'm gonna have that special guest today. I got Yuddygangtv in the house. Yeah. And he gonna try it out. And you know he's an honest dude. But you know he said if you ain't smiling, you wildin'. Hey, thanks, Yuddy. Tell me what you think.
Man, these look crispy. Can I get a fork real quick?
Sure.
These is crispy. Nah, these golden brown. For sure, for sure. I wanna let y'all hear it. If it don't sound like that, I don't want it. It ain't crispy enough. Salmon bites, crazy. All right. You know, if Yuddy didn't try it, don't buy it. Feel me? All right. Oh man, and he said just eat one. Oh, first of all, sir, how you gonna make these? Yeah, I won't you. Nah, I need this whole plate. Man, you're crazy. You be thinking I might just eat one.
Hey man, that was for everybody. Salmon was here.
No. We gotta do this for the video. Wow. This is really good. Make sure y'all try this recipe. Fire. Bro,